number 12 is, what is the difference between photoelectric effect and Compton effect? Answer is, both these phenomena confirm the particle nature of light, but still there is a difference between them. In photoelectric effect, the incident photon transfers all of its energy to the targeted electron, whereas in Compton effect, the incident photon transfers a part of its energy to the targeted electron and scattered with remaining energy. And the next difference is that photoelectric phenomenon can be observed with less energetic photon like UV light, but Compton effect phenomena can only be observed with higher energetic photon like X-rays. The next question is, what is the difference between photon and ordinary particle like electron? Answer is, photon can travel with the speed of light, whereas an ordinary particle can never move with the speed of light. And the next difference is that photon has zero rest mass, whereas an ordinary particle has always some rest mass. And the next difference is that momentum of photon is p is equal to h over lambda, whereas momentum of ordinary electron is p is equal to mv. The next question is, which postulate of Bohrs model agrees to quantum mechanics? It's also a very important question. Answer is, second postulate of Bohrs model agrees to quantum mechanics, in which it is suggested that only those tensori orbits are allowed for which the orbital angular momentum is equal to integral multiple of h over 2 pi. The next question is, what is photon quantum theory of light? Answer is, light consists of tiny packets of energy that can never be further subdivided. These packets of energy are the integral part of all electromagnetic radiations. These tiny indivisible packets of energy are called photons. This is called photon theory of light. And the next question is, what is the difference between phase velocity and group velocity? Answer is, phase velocity describes the velocity of a single wave, whereas group velocity describes the velocity of group of waves making up a packet. The next question is, what is the difference between wave number and angular frequency? Answer is, the number of waves per unit time is called angular frequency, whereas the number of waves per unit distance is called wave number. And the next question is, what are the postulates of quantum mechanics? Answer is, operators are associated with each physical observable. And the next one is, wave function is used to obtain all wanted information about the system. And the next one is, wave function and its partial derivatives must be finite, continuous and single valued. And the last one is, the total probability for a particle to be found somewhere in space must be unity. And the next question is, what is correspondence principle? It's also a very important question. Answer is, according to correspondence principle, with the invention of quantum mechanics, classical mechanics can never be completely overlooked. When lambda is equal to 0, then classical mechanics is used to solve the problems instead of quantum mechanics, and in rest of the cases quantum mechanics is used. This principle actually seeks that balance between classical and quantum mechanics. And the question number 20 is, what is parity operator? Answer is, parity operator is a linear and Hermitian operator which is used to change the position coordinates through the origin. एग्जाम्पल देख लो, लेट्स सपोज पैरिटी ऑपरेटर साई फंक्शन पे लगा तो वो साई पॉजिटिव आर है तो उसको लेगा साई नेगेटिव आर में,